All right, guys, we're very, very excited because we're here today with a box. And inside the box...
Wait, what could it be?
No. Diamonds. Bling, bling, bling.
Wow.
Are you serial? Look at that thing. That's off the chain. Wow. Off the hook. What's this? Diamonds to go? Yeah. Jeez. There is a note. A very long note. Hey, Braille. I thought of this idea when I first saw your YouTube channel. I am a skateboard instructor living in Gainesville, Florida. My friend Justin from at Spasm Skateboards hooked me up with a cool deck. Shout out. Thank you, Spasm. I've been a skater since the 90s and always loved the skate community. Check out my Instagram at Maticulous Mind.
Oh, good job, Aaron, good job.
Well, it could have been Maticulous or Meticulous.
You did good.
Rating. Not as easy as you think it might be. I have just turned 36 and I want to give a big shout out to the whole Braille crew.
Yeah!
You guys are a huge inspiration for me to keep skating and teaching kids why this community is so awesome. Hopefully one of these days I will come to the Braille house and sesh. P.S. I left some extras in there and slow-mo tray flip first try. Let's go. Slow-mo tray flip first try. What are we gonna do with this? We're gonna play a game of skate? Just feel that. It literally is a bunch of little diamonds.
It's iced up, yo.
The most expensive skateboard we have ever touched.
Oh yeah, satisfying right there. Bling, bling. About to go get engaged. Big enough?
No. How much do you think it'd be?
Like that? Maybe like 1,200, something like that.
Man, Aaron, I'm really watching you shine right now.
What we should call this is the cubic zirconium board. Okay, game of skaters. Okay, you ready?
No.
All right, game of skate, diamond board. Here we go. First try, winner take all, stupid skate.
As usual. Nice.
Second try.
I'm first, you're second.
He's third, you're fourth?
Yep.
All right, let's warm up, boys. Let's get warmed up. What the heck? Diamonds just flew into my eye. Yeah, boy! Front 180, first try!
I feel terrible already.
How do you feel terrible?
Shine bright like a diamond!
Yes! That was a crack.
Yes!
I wish I had. I feel like the trucks are way too tiny for this board. Oh, there's so many.
Damage report. It's really coming off there.
Oh no.
You know what I'm worried about? All the diamonds come off and it's just sticky goo. Wow. Daniel with the only proper 180.
Right.
The classic Fetty.
Oh.
They're just raining down right now.
Oh yeah, boy!
This is the worst trick ever invented in the history of tricks invented.
It's a weird board. You got it.
First try?
Do you think that this board would feel crunchy on your feet, but it feels soft and weird?
Oh, wow.
Expensive.
It feels expensive.
Wow.
So many just came off.
There was
right
a
there.
lot of diamond.
What?
Carlos missed a kickflip?
Happens.
Wow!
What happened?
Well, I thought, you know, in the letter he said tray flip first try, so I tried.
Oh.
The hardest thing to skate ever. Carlos missed the kickflip, Nigel missed a pop shove.
Wait, why is it hard though?
It's, you know, it's a mystery.
I've never wanted my safety glasses more.
Yes! You get him a letter on a kickflip and he does that. Oh.
This board may be made out of diamonds, but it feels like mashed potatoes.
They make the wheels. What in the world?
Yes,
Oh.
Carlos.
What the heck? Right when you think he's going for the pressure flip, he does a tray bomb.
Oh, God. No, it's so hard to do anything on it.
It's slippery?
Yeah, I couldn't get my foot in the right spot.
Like,
Where's the good diamond puns? Haven't gotten any good diamond
I
puns.
gave you one.
What?
That you were shining.
Shiny. Okay.
I was the first one to say it.
Okay.
Be like a diamond in the rough right here.
Finally, a trick I got.
I really appreciate the guy
It's
that
the diamonds on the
proposed
ground.
this idea.
Oh,
Aaron likes carrot.
Ow!
You can have this diamond and put in your earrings if you land this right now, but that's it. If you don't land it, you can't put these in your earrings, okay? Every time I come around, shawty bling bling. Hold on, I got another one. Oh, it's not in the middle.
Wait, look, you know what I just realized? Nigel has some of the smallest ears I have
Gabe,
ever
why are
seen.
you putting this on record? Cut it off! Cut it off!
Look at how small they are.
I got a small head, cuz! What you want me to do about it?
Wow, that's incredible.
Listen to this. No wonder we can't land any tricks.
I'm gonna rebate that. You gotta get it together, man.
Well, I fully landed that first one. It was perfect.
Dang crack!
What in the world were you going for?
I hope this isn't the one that gets me out. My foot just came right off.
You purposely didn't land that. I saw that.
What are you talking about?
He purposely stepped off that so he didn't have to play anymore.
No, I wanted to play again.
You.
Dang, boy.
Wait, were you actually trying that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ow, ow, mother. The wheel hit me right there. Like right in the funny bone of the foot.
You gotta be kidding me.
We can't do
You gotta
anything.
be kidding me. Ah! Ah!
Whoa, yeah, boy.
Good.
My defense is strong.
You nailed that.
See, I told you, it's like the hardest thing ever.
I think that was good.
Sure. It's like that first front shove.
You know what? I don't need your salt right now, Aaron. I didn't realize what the ground looks like back there.
Yeah.
It's so scary looking, dude.
When you go back there and look at this,
Yeah.
there's diamonds everywhere. Well, I got one more chance to shine. You know, he missed the kickflip, so I'm thinking maybe there's a chance. Literally landed right in the crack and somehow rolled away. Dang it, Carlos! He's invincible. He's unbeatable. Oh, it's so hard.
So pretty much any revert trick is out of the question.
No,
now.
just any trick, period.
Ow!
Oh, the diamonds cut a hole in the shirt, though.
He was not lying. You really do have a lot of little mini holes now in your back.
Yeah, boy.
Wow.
No!
Oh.
I don't even want to try that.
Oh.
Can I just take a letter?
No.
I got this, Gabe. Ow! Frick.
You played well.
Yeah, fought valiantly. But there can only be one winner.
The real shining diamond winner star.
Is me.
And whoever the winner of the diamond ticket is.
True. Diamond ticket. Coming now.
I gotta feel that. Oh, wow.
Isn't it disgusting?
Yeah.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have a brilliant idea, send it to us in email form with a picture. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. We would love to see what you got cooking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below. We want to know what you want us to see us do next. I'll see you in the next video.